Priscilla's Kitchen LLC. Not Priscilla's Kitchen alone, you got to add that LLC. If you are new to my channel, I ask you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Priscilla's Kitchen LLC TV, or follow me on all social media platforms. Head on to priscillaskitchenllc.com and shop spices or other meal preps and catering services of any kind. Now pull up your chair and let's make Nigerian stew. Let's do it my way this time, all right? So I'm charring some vegetables over open flame, right? So I have red bell peppers, tomatoes, and onions. Okay, so you char that very well and then you blend to puree consistency. Believe it or not, this gives you more smoky flavor than your burnt smoky flavored jollof rice. All right, so I pureed that and I added red wine vinegar. Try it. Complexity of tomato sauce. Okay, so then I let that cook for 10 minutes. Afterwards, I'm now seasoning. I have garlic, you know I like garlic, salt and pepper to taste. Of course, I have scotch bonnet to eat, and then Priscilla's house seasoning. That cooked for another 10 minutes. Now I added my par-cooked goat meat and some turkey. These kiddos like their turkey. I also added boiled egg, so I cooked this again for another 10 minutes. Afterwards, I let it go low and slow on cover to evaporate a lot of that moisture, and I cooked all together for a period of an hour. And when I tell you, this stew is complex, super smoky, and delicious. Enjoy this over rice or yam or potatoes, or you can even just dunk in some baguette or bread. Leave a comment below. Would you be making this stew? My name is Priscilla. You may hear priscillaskitchenllc.com. Don't forget to like, share, tag, subscribe, and follow for more. Bye.